Assalamualaikum guys, this is Muhammad Usman. I bought my new Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, so I thought that I give you a new look to it. So first of all, before unboxing, I want to show its specs as shown here. It is full view display, 6 inches, rear dual camera, Android 8 plus EMUI software edition, and this is the RAM, 3GB RAM plus 32GB ROM. So let's start. Now I will unbox it in front of you. So here's the first look. It's blue in color, and now I will show you. It's blue in color, looking so beautiful. So see, Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, Huawei full view display. As I already told you, it's a rear dual camera and 3GB RAM plus 32GB ROM. So in the box, let's begin. This is the original back cover of the mobile, and this is the warranty card, Y7 Prime 2018, blue color, and 20 September date. So this is the book if someone wants to read it. Quick start guide to the mobile. So this is the protector, and this is the charger, looking a small battery, and here two more things I see. This is the data cable, most probably connected to the charger, and this is the basic standard type earphones, black in color. So let's have a look to all these things, and now let's open our mobile. So I will just remove this cover. So wow, amazing. And this is the starter button, and this is the so looking so beautiful. And this is the back, from the back, the dual camera, this and this, and this is for the flashlight, and the tag of Huawei company, the fingerprint sensor, and front cam. So the screen is 6 inches, and this is the starter button, this is the volume button, the down, the up button, and from the back here, one on the one side it's a speaker, and this is the charging side, and this is the from where we put the earphones, and on the other side it's plain, and this is from where we put in the SIM and the memory card, and look at it. So let's open it. taking some time to open. So this is the first look after opening, and the system is preparing for the SD card. So here the first look, slide to unlock, look at it. So move on to the settings and log in with Huawei ID, wireless and security, networks, connection, storage, total 32 GB and the free space 23, system, and on the system about phone, Huawei Y7 Prime, model LGN L21, version 8.0. So the CPU, the Qualcomm Snapdragon, RAM 3 GB, internal 23, and this is all. So smart look. So this is the camera. How sharp is it? So this is Huawei Y7 Prime. So guys, this is from my side, and thanks for watching, and comments for this model. Thanks.